am sitting at the table having coffee. We are getting ready to start the day. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm getting a late start to the day, but that was the plan this week, was to kind of take it easy, take it slow, and I don't have a huge amount of orders that have to go out this week, so I can kind of take my time sculpting them and just kind of enjoy knitting and enjoy time with the kids and with Adam. So it's been a very busy morning. My hair won't stay out of my face today. I can't do anything about it. But today I have set aside to work on new designs. Right now I am working on a few little Arctic animals that are going to have on scarves. And I've done some Santa gnomes and my very first girl gnomette, inspired by Mrs. Claus, and a few nutcrackers. This week's update is going to be different because since I plan to take the week of Christmas off as much as I can so I can spend time with my family, I'm actually not going to be able to put up made to order listings if any of these sell out this week, because I would be working on those made to order orders the week of Christmas. And that would kind of defeat the whole purpose of me taking that week off. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm trying to make a pretty good amount of things, but I have a feeling it's not going to be enough. I have a few people that I know really depend on me putting them back up as made to order. So I think that I'll just try to do 2 batches of the most popular charms, one this week and one next week. Working for the day, and I think I'm gonna make rice and pot stickers tonight. I haven't made pot stickers in a really long time, and I have some sweet potato and onion that needs used. So in here I've just got some sweet potato, red onion, and green pepper. Just a really simple filling, because if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I love sweet potatoes. So of course that's been our favorite dumpling filling. Filling is ready and it just needs to cool off while I make the dough.